Fix in 5. P0598. Thermostat heater control circuit low voltage or signal drop in electr. Medium severity. Here's what it means, what causes it, and how it's fixed. Ignore it long enough and it gets expensive opinions about your wallet. First, the symptoms. Check engine light, cell, illuminated, reduced fuel efficiency or poor gas mileage, engine running cold or slow to reach operating temperature, increased emissions or failed emissions test, hesitation or stumbling during acceleration when engine is cold. Now the most likely causes. Faulty electronically controlled thermostat assembly. Low voltage in thermostat heater control circuit wiring. Corroded or loose electrical connectors at thermostat. Open or short circuit in control wiring harness. Defective thermostat heater element. How to fix it. Replace electronically controlled thermostat assembly with OEM or equivalent. Repair or replace damaged wiring in thermostat control circuit. Clean and reseat all thermostat electrical connectors. Replace blown fuse in thermostat control circuit. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. What does it cost? Roughly €45 minus 120 doing it yourself, or Euro 125 to 200 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. People also ask, will P0598 cause my vehicle to fail an emissions test? Yes, an active P0598 fault code will typically cause your vehicle to fail an emissions or smog test, as it triggers the check engine light and indicates a monitored system failure. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0598. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.